Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on Guru Purnima in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Guru Purnima is a Hindu festival. Second line is, it is celebrated to honor teachers and spiritual leaders. Third line is, it falls on the full moon day, that is Purnima, in the Hindu month of Ashada, that is June to July. Fourth line is, the word Guru means teacher in Sanskrit. Fifth line is, people express gratitude and respect towards their teachers. Sixth line is, it is believed that on this day Veda Vyasa, a sage and ancient guru, was born. Seventh line is, on this day, people offer prayers, chant mantras, and perform rituals. Eighth line is, students and disciples offer gifts and seek blessings from their gurus. Ninth line is, the festival emphasizes the importance of knowledge and wisdom in life. Last line is, this day encourages us to acknowledge the role of teachers in shaping our lives.